I have launched a snail mail club. Hi everyone, if you're new here, my name is Sano Eli, and I'm a freelance illustrator, small business owner, and designer of my art brand Prismano, and I have been gone for quite a long time, but we're going to be fixing that in this video. Since I haven't made a video formally announcing it yet, like its own designated video, I just announced it very briefly at the beginning of my Japan vlog, which some of you may know, but I wanted to use this video as an opportunity to formally announce that I have launched a snail mail club. Everyone cheer. I know that mail clubs are absolutely popping off lately, which is so incredible, but this has honestly been a huge dream of mine for the past, I would say 8 years or so. It's been a very long time that I've been thinking about making something like this, and I am just so excited to finally launch it and finally share it with you guys. And as some of you already know, I already launched it back in March, but your girl is kind of bad at marketing herself on YouTube, so we're trying to change that. I finally bit the bullet and really wanted to just fully challenge myself, which has turned out to be one of the most rewarding experiences and most rewarding projects in general in my artistic career so far, which is absolutely incredible to say, and I am so thankful to everyone who has made this a possibility for me. So for a little summary, my monthly mail club is called the SNAIL Club. The SNAIL Club is a community-based initiative that features a monthly snail mail club, a monthly newsletter, and in the future, quarterly magazine issues that are coming very soon. Creating the SNAIL Club has been a really rewarding experience every single month, but I do want to lay down some harsh truths for you as well. It's also been very difficult to juggle the workload alongside client commissions, running the rest of my small business Prismano, and still showing up to do all of the admin tasks behind the scenes on top of trying to stay relevant on social media so I can actually market my art. And that's honestly why I haven't been here on YouTube in a very long time. And I know I always go through cycles where I talk about this, but it's been a reoccurring issue for me, especially as someone living with ADHD, so I do apologize for that inconsistency. I've been feeling pretty overwhelmed and haven't really been able to figure out a healthy work-life balance just yet, but that does kind of lead me into the main story behind the creation of the SNAIL Club. So aside from being a super cute and whimsical passion project of mine that I've had for a very long time, I also wanted it to serve as a little care package every month to brighten up someone's day, especially during these really difficult times. Life is super busy and hectic, and I feel like it's so easy to fall into despair with everything going on and with all of the hardships that people are going through on a daily basis, especially when it comes to their mental health and when we're constantly doom scrolling every single day. As a certified anxious girly myself who has ADHD, I know what it's like to crave something, anything, to bring some happiness in some of these somber days that we have. SNAIL tells stories surrounding comfort, happiness, passion, inspiration, and overall community, not only through the monthly mail club, but also through ways I'm planning to expand SNAIL in the future, through mini comics, quarterly themed magazine issues, monthly newsletters, and monthly themes within the mail club itself. More than anything, I want whoever signs up to receive their monthly mail from me to feel seen and like they aren't alone no matter what they're going through. To receive a mini care package each month that gives them something to look forward to and maybe even see a topic that really speaks to them and resonates with them being highlighted in one of the months that they receive. Now, of course, all that to say, I am still figuring out this snail mail thing day by day. It's a constant learning experience, and I'm still trying to find new ways to improve the quality and consistency of my rewards, my content, and especially my promotions. I'd also really love to offer some digital rewards down the line, like a monthly podcast episode, mobile and PC wallpapers, and other things like that for those of you who may not be able to subscribe to a physical snail mail service. As always, if you have any suggestions for things you'd like me to add to the SNAIL Club, I would absolutely love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. Something that I also wanted to touch on in this video is my process throughout launching the SNAIL Club in general. I know a lot of people are curious about the ins and outs of running a mail club, and I do plan on eventually perhaps making a designated video about all of the ins and outs surrounding running and launching a monthly mail club, but in this video I more so wanted to discuss my process, my personal ideas and thoughts going into this, the core mission of this entire project, and what led me to make certain decisions when I was launching SNAIL. I think that one of the biggest and possibly most difficult choices in starting a snail mail club is deciding what platform to host it on. For the longest time, I'd always dreamed of running a successful Patreon with multiple tiers and rewards for patrons to choose from, but there's two reasons why I ultimately decided last minute to go against that. Firstly, I realized that the workload that would come from running a Patreon alongside everything else I was doing just was not feasible for me. Although I definitely do plan on providing monthly digital rewards in the future, like I said before, the sheer scale of how much goes into maintaining a Patreon just felt very daunting and like a difficult thing for me to be able to control, especially just jumping into a monthly snail mail club right out the gate. Maybe it's something that I would consider in the future, but for now, I feel comfortable just hosting it on my main website on Shopify. I just felt like it would be so much easier to maintain the scope of SNAIL within the walls I'd already built up since 2019, like I said. It's a decision I'm actually really happy with and look forward to expanding through the Prismacolor store in the future as well. As I mentioned earlier, my main goal for launching SNAIL is to shine a light on mental health and bring about inspiration, creativity, and even some introspection into someone's day whenever they receive their monthly mail. If you're by any chance new to my art and my creations, I really love to create a diverse array of illustrations that touch on mental health and other subject matter like that behind a fantasy-inspired surrealist lens. I've always been really inspired by media like the Final Fantasy video game franchise and other things like that, so all of my work does have that strong fantasy focus. But I've also been getting a lot more in touch with my inner child who absolutely adored Japanese fashion, and that's been working its way into a lot of my work lately as well. And I love combining those aesthetics into something new and refreshing while also touching on mental health topics and things of that nature. So when it comes to SNAIL, I actually want to push the envelope a little bit more than I currently am with the kinds of rewards and things that I include in my monthly mail club, because I really do want to drive home that mission. And right now I'm in a bit of a trial and error stage, so I'm deciding what works, what doesn't, what I want to have stick or what I want to completely change, things that I want to add as well. I've been really enjoying adding in my thoughts and my ideas into the monthly love letters and journal prompts that I've been sending out to you guys. Overall, I feel like the SNAIL Club has been an opportunity for me to be really vulnerable, especially as someone who does struggle with mental health and anxiety and the fear of failure, which is something I'm sure you guys who aren't new to my channel know very well. I do talk about a lot on my channel, especially since running a monthly mail club or just monthly subscription service as a whole honestly felt like a bit of a pipe dream for me for the longest time. And I'll be completely honest with you guys, I was not expecting that many people to subscribe subscribe to my mail club, especially not in the first month, but I'm really, really grateful to be able to say that I started the SNAIL Club in March with 20 subscribers, which was so freaking cool, and I am so grateful and so thankful for that. And then I ended April with 30 subscribers, so I am just really, really happy and grateful for all of your support because it genuinely means the world to me. And I would not be here if it weren't for you guys and your support of my artwork, because this is my greatest passion. It's something that I have wanted to do ever since I was a little girl. So this is just very important to me, and I really appreciate all of you guys so, so much. I've never been the best at marketing myself or my creations, but somehow so many lovely people gave me their support, which I am so, so eternally grateful for, and I'll always be so grateful to everyone who supports my art, whether you're new or old, signed up to the SNAIL Club, or just enjoy liking my posts on Instagram. Literally every ounce of love and support means the absolute world to me and is so, so helpful to seeing my dreams become a reality. I'm getting really sappy now. I'm sorry about that. So I'll try to cut this short, but seriously, thank you so much. That being said, I want to show up for you guys like you've all done for me, especially within just this year alone. So I'll try my best to come back here a lot more often for you guys. I'll definitely be continuing my Japan vlog series as well, since I never got to finish editing the rest of the videos for that. But I'm thinking I might add in more of my thoughts via voiceover in the next installments, since I know that some of you guys said that you missed that element in my videos, but yeah, definitely expect that to come in a future upload. I also wanted to share my process creating July's Mail Club launch as well, especially now that it's officially out and will be available until August 1st. So far, July is my absolute favorite by far, and I know I always say that, but this time I am just so insanely happy with how this painting and overall theme turned out. The theme of this month is longing, and it's titled A Gateway to You. It discusses feelings of insecurity and how we often view ourselves through eyes of scrutiny. Society always tells us that we have to be absolutely perfect, neatly shaped into these cookie-cutter expectations that they place on us. Especially as women, it's something that we have to go through and experience from the day that we are born. But the person that we often long to be is a figment of our imaginations. She mourns the days we spend criticizing our own minds and bodies, cradling us toward a path of acceptance in our own skin. The July edition of the SNAIL Mail Club is available from now until August 1st. July includes an exclusive art print postcard of the hand-painted watercolor piece, a transparent sticker, stamp sticker, collectible ticket photo card, a monthly affirmation card, and a love letter featuring an original short story by me, monthly faves, journal prompts, and much more. You can sign up for the SNAIL Mail Club on my shop, Prismacolor.com. All in all, thank you so much for watching this video, and to anyone who has checked out the SNAIL Club or subscribed to it or even just enjoys looking at my content overall, thank you so much. You mean the world to me, and I appreciate every single one of you. You can check out the SNAIL Mail Club via the link in the description box below, as well as the URL that I have listed here, and wherever the card is in this video, we'll have it linked up there if you want to tap on it. And if you reach the end of this video, as always, be sure to leave a blue heart emoji in the comment section below so that I know you did. And if there are any specific topics that you would like me to discuss in a future video, be sure to let me know in the comment section below as well. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share it with someone who you think might enjoy it as well. And be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an upload from me. Until next time, my friend. Bye-bye.